Hello and welcome to Cath Kids Studio. Today Miss Catherine is going to show us to make some artwork. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hello everyone, so today we're gonna make an art using the crepe paper. So I want you to cut the crepe paper into a smaller pieces first and put it in a container. Put that aside and then you can continue drawing the bird. Please pause the video if I draw them too fast, okay? Take your crayons and start coloring the bird. Okay, so you can blend the colors as well to make it more beautiful. After you're done coloring, you can take water and place the crepe paper on top of the water that you put. You can keep changing the colors to make the background super duper colorful. Just keep on sticking on different places before you take it off, because we need to wait for it to dry first and then we can take off the crepe paper. Yes, like this. You can dry them out or you can just leave it on a table. You can wash your brush while waiting it's dry, or maybe tidy up some stuff. After it dries, you can just take out one by one and then throw it in the trash bin, okay? The more you take it out, the more you will see how the colors mix up between the crepe papers, and look at the lines texture that they give it to you. So this is done. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Show us your artwork when you are done. See you next time. Bye.